Let's create stories. Booby Bloo creates for you exciting adventures, unbelievable stories, and special interviews. It's about people.
I came here to die, actually. If you don't use it, you lose it.
Have to see how a revolution works.
Section of the battle cruiser Potemkin.
It's about nature.
Amazingly wonderful Mother Nature is.
And it's about joy of life! We are an enthusiastic family who decided to quit their jobs. Captain will act out his explorer gene. That's probably why we dare to live on the sea, and why we are keen in us to explore remote worlds. And myself, Isabel, I have a clear tendency to creativity. That's why our videos are full of unusual surprises. And there are our wild boys, Diego and Baron, who are often driving us nuts, but at the same time, they create a very emotional situation. Supporting us means so much to us. In return, you get access to all the patron-only contents and other rewards like monthly screensavers, personal recordings from remote spots, with luck, even holidays on Booby Bloo and NN.
Stop! Do you want to hear the uncut behind the scene version? Okay, short story behind. I had to leave to check the anchor and Isabel was alone and uncontrolled doing this scene. And here we go with her supermarket super bonus promotion version.
Making us with a few dollars means the world to us and you. In return, you get access to all the patron-only contents and other rewards like monthly screensavers, personal recordings from remote spots, with luck, even holidays on Booby Bloo and NN.
No way. Amour, ça va pas. That's not possible. Amour.
Okay, I use my normal voice. Come with us as a patron and hop on board on the fantastic Booby Bloo. Join us right now from the very beginning. Let's create stories. That way, sure.